Today's topic is board mass. B stand for brackets, O stand for of, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. Before solving a problem, we have to follow this order. First of all, we have to solve brackets. Then if there is any division, then we have to divide it and then multiply. Then we add the numbers and then we subtract them. For example, question is 15 plus 24 divided by 3 minus 1 into 6. Here we have no brackets, then these are not followed. We will start from division. This is division. First we will solve this part. This will become 3 8s are 24 minus 1 into 6. Now we will follow this order. After division we have to remember we have to do multiplication. Where is multiplication? 1 into 6. Now 15 plus 8 minus 1 6 are 6. Then after multiplication we are going to our next step, addition. This is addition. 15 plus 8 becomes 23. Now last, subtraction. 23 minus 6 is equal to 17. This is our answer. In simplification equations we have to follow this rule, otherwise our answer will be wrong. Then next is V board mass. In this type of problems we have to follow one more cheese. V stand for vinculum or bar. There are three types of brackets. First, there are round brackets. These are called round brackets. Then these are curly brackets. Then these are square brackets. We have to follow these rules. First we will solve round brackets, then curly, then square brackets. So order of simplifying of bracket is, first of all bar first. First of all we will solve bar, then we will solve all brackets, then division, then multiplication, addition and subtraction. For example, question is 14 minus square bracket 12 minus curly brackets or braces 9 minus round bracket 7 minus 6 minus 2, this is bar, then round close, curly bracket close and square bracket close. Now in V board mass we have to follow these rules. First of all we will solve bar. This is the bar. 14 minus, after solving this we have found 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Then next we have to solve brackets. After bar we have to solve brackets. These area is of brackets. इनमें से हमें पहले राउंड ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करनी है, फिर कर्ली एंड लास्ट में हमने स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स. अब अगर हम इसको पहले we have to write as it is. First of all we will solve this. 7 minus 4 3. Now we have to solve curly brackets, braces. And 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. This we have solved. Only this bracket is left. Only this. Now this square bracket has to be solved. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Now we have found a simple equation, 14 minus 6, that becomes 8. This is our answer. So this is the V BODMAS rule. Thank you.